In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Stan Store profile photo. Having a clear, recognizable profile photo is a small detail, but it really helps people trust your store and remember your brand. So in this walkthrough, I'll take you through each step slowly and clearly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, go ahead and log into your Stan Store account using your usual login details. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a menu panel there. In that panel, find the option labeled My Store. Click on My Store to open your main store view. When this page loads, you'll see your store header at the top, along with your current profile icon. If you haven't set one yet, this icon might just be a simple silhouette of a person, or a very basic placeholder image. That's what we're going to change. Next, look for the small pencil icon next to your name on this page. This pencil usually means Edit. Click on that pencil icon and it will open the editor for your store header. Inside this header editor, you'll see your profile icon again, but this time with another small pencil icon on top of it or beside it. Click on that smaller pencil icon that sits directly on your profile image. As soon as you do, a pop-up window will open. This pop-up allows you to choose a new profile photo from your computer. Browse through your computer files, navigate to the folder where your desired photo is saved, and select the image you want to use as your profile photo. When you've highlighted the right file, click Open at the bottom right of the pop-up window, or simply press Enter on your keyboard. After selecting the image, a small editor may appear. This is where you can adjust how your photo will look inside the circular profile frame. Use the available controls to crop, zoom in or out, and move the image around until it's framed nicely within the circle. Take your time here so your photo looks clean and centered. When you're happy with how it looks, click the button that says Use this photo. Now, wait a few moments while the page processes your changes and reloads. Once it refreshes, you should see your new profile photo in place of the old icon. There's no need to press any extra Save button. Once the new photo appears, it has been saved automatically. And that's all you need to do to update your Stan Store profile photo.